Right, just off the bridging land, right? Just off the bridging land. And see wood. Before the
Welcome back. And if it's the first time here, do remember to subscribe. And if you have a piece of land which is slopey, hilly, or split level, we will give you a walkthrough how to approach to build a house and a piece of land like this.
you learn the way bridging now dig up. You see it? And in top.
So to build on a piece of land like this, you will need a jackhammer, a backhoe, or an excavator to do the leveling.
Tell me that one.
See, before Mr. Downey for
Eh?
both half me and me boss. One more there. See one more there.
So you guys may be wondering what these guys are doing
Mr.
with live chicken on the construction site. Well, in Jamaica there's a tradition on most work site where they are doing the digging of the foundation is to kill chicken or goat and drain the blood in the digging of the foundation, and they say it to prevent accident and injuries on the work site. I don't know how true is it, but that's what I've been seeing from a young boy growing up. So that's the reason for the chicken. So most sites when they break ground, they kill chicken or goat, sprinkle the blood in the foundation. For what reason, I don't know.
When they are digging foundation, the man with the tape. They're way up on top of it. I go down there.
So as you can see, this land leveling was done by a backhoe. Simply mean the land was not that tough. It was more like a mall base. So if it was a tougher or a solider piece of land, it would require jackhammer or excavator. So after the digging of the foundation is complete, then the steel work will now take place. So the steel men will come and do the footing, and then after the steel work is complete, they do the casting of the steel work. So the footing or the steel of the house will do next, and after that is complete, it's now time to lay our building blocks or cylinder blocks, whatever explain it best for you. So the approach to build a house can vary based on the type of land, the texture of the land, the shape of the land, and all of that. So when working out price in the beginning, it's not very easy to figure out and know what it will be cost, because based on how tough the land is, then what kind of tool or equipment it will require, what will be the cost, we don't know that. So a piece of land like this can be very frustrated in the beginning because you don't know what you're up against. But don't make that discourage you from build your dream house. Just do the math.
Alright, make you understand why I need so much block. Alright, you see what I saw? Yes, I go full up. After yes, I full up, you know, I'm gonna start blocky come to the decking now. So I'm gonna go. You see here for the come down. So I'm gonna blocky go way back up by top for catch back decking. You see? That's why him need so much block. Understand? You see it? Alright, you see I down in a hole. You see storeroom up there, so then I go blocky way up now. We catch back the height up there, so.
Okay, so if you have a piece of land which is slopey, hilly, or split unit as they would say, you may not know how much building block it would take in the beginning to build your house, because as you can see, this land they lay, all these block they lay before is just to, like a foundation, to level up the foundation. So they will fill this with land filling and then the real building start. So those blocks to do the foundation, you may not know what amount it will be.
Alright, now me and left out the master bedroom. Beside dining room. Dining room this. You see a big dining room this. And that there, you see, before you have a 3 row of blocks. So our next bedroom. A little space so now. A little 2 blocks there. This now. And a little passage area to go up on the veranda out the front. The veranda out the front. And the passage area so. And yes so now at the bathroom. Over there so now. At the room. And yes so now at the washroom. See washroom yes so. And yes so now. Yes so now this so now with the big out all up. This is our dining room. Alright, you see, in here somewhere there, I full them I go full you. Full them I go full up. Then I start make up no lintel yet. But all I full the house I go full up. You see all of them, all the house I go full up. The whole of them I go full up. Them go full up before them start black up the house. If you come and deck it, then I reach nowhere I deck it. Full them are full up the foundation. Understand? Them are full up the foundation. Right in there so we master bedroom there, then fully up. Them a cast it up and left underneath the bottom for the storeroom. Yeah.
So this is why it's important to get a building plan when you're building any building or any house. So you may have an idea of what you're doing before you even approach start building. But it is even more better if you get a 3D view of what your building will be like. It makes life easier for you, the workman, and you get to get an insight of what the building will look like before you even lay the first block. So many people may have a building plan with a little sketch on it showing what the building also look like, but if you get a 3D plan, with a 3D sketch of what the building will be for a small change, it will give you peace of mind. So ahead of time you see what your building look like, and you can choose the color and try the colors you would want your house to be in. So I'm the man for that job. So if you have a building plan but don't have an idea what the house will look like when it complete, yeah, drop me a text, give me a call. I'm the man for the job. 3D. So this is a 3D plan of what the house in this video will look like when it complete. Don't know when it will complete, but at least you can see what it will be like, and I think that's a very good thing, and it makes life easy for you and the workman. So just a suggestion, a little more tips to make life easy for building a house. And as I always say, if you think this video is educational or interesting, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. Over a period of time, the comment on my channel wasn't working, so it is back. So feel free to leave your comments, ask a question. I try to answer as much as I can. You know, so tell me what you think about this video. Was it helpful? What I could do to make it better? So what should I say? Do you have anything more to say? Sometimes I don't know what to say. I run out of ideas. Yeah, so thank you all for watching, you know. Just leave your feedback. Highly appreciate it. So check out my other videos. I have a set of series video. The recast to build a concrete house cheap. So I think it's from part 1 to part 7 or 8. And always remember, pay attention to the description where you find material lists and additional information to make your building project easy. So that's it for now. See you in my next video.